This video will explain how sunroof pricing works. Unlike other products, sunroof's pricing isn't calculated per square foot or square meter. Instead, it's based on the number of light consoles installed on your ceiling. For example, this room has 6 light consoles, this one has 18, and this one has 63. The larger the room, the more light consoles are needed. The price of each light consoles ranges from 35,000 to 45,000 rupees, depending on the design and finish you choose. This price includes the light console itself, the wooden rafters, the automation, and even a remote controller to adjust the sunroof manually. To give you a realistic idea on pricing, the total cost of the sunroof in this room is roughly 2.2 lakhs, this one 6.5 lakhs, and this one 24 lakhs. You might be wondering if you can install sunroof in the center of a large living room. Unfortunately, that won't work, and here's why. Sunroof is designed to bring the effect of sunlight indoors. To achieve this, it's crucial to cover at least 60 to 70% of your ceiling area with the sunroof in any given space, without which the sunroof will not solve its purpose of giving the full sunlight effect. Now that you understand how we calculate sunroof pricing, please share your 2D layouts with us. Our designers will create a customized quote for you.